Hello everyone and welcome to Studios, and today we're having a look at how to build a sub $500 PC with only one trick to get it for that price. Before that, let's have a word from Rockin'IT, followed by a build montage, reasoning behind all the parts, and some benchmarks after that as well. Thanks to Rockin'IT for making this video possible. They offer all sorts of parts based in South Africa, so wait to the end of the video or check the link in the description to learn more. So there we have it, the build is complete, and now I'm going to go over the parts I chose and what you can change if you want to in certain areas. So starting out, I have a Ryzen 3 3200G, 8GB of DDR4 3200MHz RAM, a Asus Prime B450MK motherboard, which you can swap out for the B450MA, which is slightly more expensive or slightly cheaper depending, and has 4 RAM slots instead of 2, so it's a bit easy to upgrade the RAM. Then I also went for a 480GB SSD as my only storage drive. There's also 2 extra slots in this particular case, which is a Thermaltake H17, which has an extra 2 3.5-inch drive slots as well as an extra 2.5-inch drive slot if you want that. The final part is the graphics card, and that is a GTX 1063GB, which I got secondhand for around $100 US, which you can do as well. The parts and pricing for Rockin'IT are also displayed here, so you can get it in South Africa if you are based here. It's slightly more expensive than the US version, but it's actually a pretty good rate considering our prices are more expensive overall. Now let's go on to the benchmarks. So there we have it, my sub $500 PC can definitely be found for less than this if you look a little bit carefully. There's also Black Friday coming up, and Rockin'IT does offer Black Friday specials. If you're based in South Africa, I highly recommend checking them out. And also the only part I would recommend changing is perhaps the CPU to a Ryzen 5 2600 if you can find it for a particularly good deal, as they're based on the same architecture unlike the rest of the 3rd gen CPUs. So have a look and see if you'd like to try and build this, and let me know in the comments below what you'd change about it, if anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Huge thanks to Rockin'IT for making this video possible. They offer all kinds of products, including PC hardware, drones, their own custom PCs, and more. All of this for a competitive price. Check them out in the link in the video description.